Criminal shit right there. Check that out. Look at that. Trying to hold his phone steady. Look at that shit. This motherfucker is just spraying us with shit. What the fuck are you motherfuckers up to? That's only about 8,000 or 9,000 feet too. That's very low flying. What is that? Does not look like a commercial airliner, folks. Military or CIA contractor. Well, it's gone now. It'll disappear behind the house. And it's gone. But it left a nice trail. What are these motherfuckers up to? I went out walking late in the evening, looking to see if anyone was out there, anyone on two legs, or anything in the North Georgia hills. Muscogee, Georgia. Hiya, huska, hiya. Well, it's Tuesday. I try to put out some kind of video every Tuesday, as I am off on Wednesdays. I get off at noon on Tuesdays, and I've got the whole day to kill. So here's my new computer. Let's fire that up. Monitor my other computer. I use that computer right there pretty much for art, some video editing, but the reason that I bought this computer was for video editing and music arrangement. Old crappy Casio keyboard there. One of my more frequently played guitars. Very messy house here, very messy indeed. Some other instruments and swords and whatnot laying around. Me old mandolin. Aye, me old mandolin. Go upstairs. Let's just go upstairs, shall we, ladies? Take a look at the real guitar collection. There's that handsome devil right there. Here's the real stuff. The good stuff. Let's open this window up here. Shed a little light on this situation. My wonderful, beautiful Russian-made studio condenser microphone. Our little 4-track, actually 24-track recording device. That guitar right there, bought in the Philippines for about 60 US dollars. Probably would have paid about 350 here. Various good fiddles. Some of them worth a damn, some of them not worth a damn. That's what we use to make most of our music on. Of course, my little mini synthesizers, they get plenty of use. So I think that's a pretty good place to end this video. Just letting you have a tour of the studio here. The studio. Ah, yes. That turned out to be a fairly nice day. After all that rain we got this morning. Okay, hey, there's another keyboard down there. Believe it or not, this little Korg mini synth right here, which hardly ever gets touched. $500 for that thing. So that's the tour. Would you like to see the bedroom? Of course you would. That's our master bedroom here. Master bathroom. And it shambles just like the rest of the place. But that's okay. No company to speak of anytime soon, I don't think. And so, my fine feathered friend, with that, not yet. Not yet. This thing sure takes up a lot of room. My back stretcher. Lord have mercy. What a waste. Probably used that thing 4 or 5 times and quit using it. And with that, I bid your ass adieu. Have a wonderful day.